Let's make a pot roast right in our crock pot. I'm using venison. I am allergic to pork and beef, but you can use pork if you'd like to, but just follow this recipe because it is absolutely so delicious. This is my husband's recipe. So go ahead and oil down your crock pot, and you'll need 1 can of cream of mushroom. Go ahead and put that in, and a packet of brown gravy mix. Now we're going to add about 1/4 to 1/2 can of water to this, just using that cream of mushroom can. No need to dirty any more dishes. Let's go ahead and give that a stir, mix it really well. Add 1/2 of a yellow onion diced. And we're going to turn the crock pot on high for 1 hour, and then we'll cut it back to low. After this has been cooking about 5 to 6 hours, we're going to add some carrots. And these are the organic baby carrots. We just used about 1/2 of this bag. And then some potatoes. Now you can dice some potatoes if you'd like, but my husband and I really like these small potatoes. This is nibbles. I think we got these at Publix, but you can get them at most grocery stores. These little potatoes are so good. And now we're going to let this cook for another 3 to 4 hours, and voila, this will melt in your mouth. It was so good and tender, and it had the best flavor. It always does. Whether you use pork or you use venison, this is a wonderful recipe. And for those of you who are curious, we do soak our venison in salt water overnight before we prepare it the next day.